Hi, everyone. In this video, you will learn how to use pen tool to create 3D patterns. Let's get started. First, we click the avatar. Edit avatar. Find the avatar's front neck point. Hold down the Control key to draw a curve. Draw the shoulder line and front armhole curve. When drawing a line, remove the Control key. Hold down the Shift key to draw horizontal lines. Double-click on the starting point to create a closed shape. Next, draw the back pattern. We draw the back neckline from the side neck point. Draw the center back line. Draw waistline. Double-click. Finally, draw the back armhole curve. Note that both front and back pattern must be closed geometry. Click on the bottom left. Turn off. Use the Edit Pattern tool. Select the front and back and press Enter to create the plate. Select the pattern in the 2D window. Ctrl+D Symmetry Pattern with Seam. Use Symmetry to shape in 3D window. Using Segment Sewing tools. Sew. Open simulation. Next, draw pants. Open the Edit Avatar again. Draw the front and back pattern of the legs. Pen tool. Draw front waistline. Because the leg is a curve, we can draw the curve by holding down the Control key. For the front and back pattern, it can be designed in 3D window. Be careful not to cross the crotch. Next, draw the back pattern. Start at the front point. Draw the waistline. Back crotch curve, intersecting front crotch curve. Finally, draw the bottom line. Double-click End. Close the Edit Avatar. Use the Edit Pattern tool. Select the pattern and press Enter. Select them Symmetry Pattern with Seam. Right-click using Symmetry to shape. Use Segment Sewing tools. Sewing. Use circumference tape before simulation. Keep drawing the horizontal circumference tape. Then use the Attach to Avatar Tape tool. Attach the waistline to the circumference tape. Simulation. We found out the model penetration. Turn down the particle distance. Next, we adjust the pattern. We use the Edit Pattern tool to select. Recycle a bit. The side seam can also be closed down. Use the Edit Pattern tool to smooth the front crotch curve. The back crotch curve can be trimmed using the Edit Curvature. Next, use the Edit Curvature tool to select Center Front. Right-click to adjust the curve point. Use the Editing tool to reclaim the neckline. The back collar can be adjusted using the Edit Curvature tool. Add point tools and pen tool to the shoulder line. Adjust the pattern. Delete the cutout pattern. Next, we convert the points at the armhole curve into curve points. Use the Edit Curvature tool to adjust. Then start drawing style lines. We can open up the style lines. Use the pen tool to draw in a 2D window. Then use the Edit Format tool to select the molded line, right, cut and sew. Select the style line. Right-click to add equidistant internal line. Check the partition pattern. Then draw the style line of the pants in the 3D window. Draw style lines in 3D window. Split pattern is checked. If the effect is not satisfied, Edit Pattern can be used in 2D window to adjust. Next, draw the style line on the back. Fill the fabric after drawing. Create 2 pattern of fabric. Select new fabric. Choose a color. Then drag the fabric to the area to fill. The style lines of the legs are not divided. We can select the style line in the 2D window. Right, cut and sew. So the pattern is split again. After filling, select all pattern to add extra render thickness. We need to change the pose. The final effect is complete. That's it guys, and I hope some of the tips will help your modeling work. If you like what we do, please liking, commenting and sharing this video. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.